Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing special Torta De Cebu and we'll be using Glad Cook and Bake, no? Ito ay non-stick paper for easy cooking and baking, no? You know, itong special Torta De Cebu talaga masarap, malasa, and I'm saying that kasi kailangan talaga masubukan ninyo. So, ang gagawin natin, we will prepare all the ingredients and then we will bake it in a while. Alright, so what I'll do first, initin natin tong oven na to. Kailangan preheated yung oven natin. And then I'll start preparing yung carrier niya. Tapos, yung mixture ng torta. Okay, we'll do this first. Yun. Habang pinipreheat natin itong oven, we're going to prepare our carrier. Parang artwork lang ito. Parang arts and crafts lang. So, ganito siya. Tapos lalagyan nandito. Pag ganun. Okay, I need my scissors. Glad Cook and Bake is not your ordinary parchment paper. It is made of high-quality paper that's perfect for baking and cooking. Makapal siya and heat-resistant up to 230 degrees centigrade. I like it because it's versatile and it does not tear easily. So ngayon, lagay lang natin itong Glad Cook and Bake, no? Dito, para mag-form siya sa carrier niya, ilagay lang natin ganyan. Okay? Then, another one. Ganun lang, no? Magpo-form na siya dun sa carrier niya. Para mamaya, pag nilagay natin yung mixture natin, naka-form na siya. Yan. So, ganun lang siya. Alright? And the next is yung mga ingredients natin. Of course, kailangan natin ng 10 egg yolk, no? Egg yolks lang gagamitin nandito. Gagamit din tayo ng, since wala akong tuba, we'll be using coconut juice. And then dito natin tutunawin yung yung sugar natin. So lalagay ko na yung sugar na sa coconut juice. Kailangan talaga tunaw na yung mga ingredients natin. So the wet ingredients, just like butter, kailangan yung butter tunaw na. Tapos yung natin, yung sugar natin, tunaw na rin yung sugar natin dun sa coconut juice. Now I'll do my eggs. So wash your hands. Alright. Okay. There you go. Kaya ako naghugas ng kamay kasi hawakan natin yung eggs, no? Pag nabasag yung egg yolks, ay wag mo nang gamitin kasi mas gusto ng torta na mas less yung egg whites, no? Na masama dun sa ingredients niya. Okay. There you go. Tanggalin natin yung yung mga buo-buo na albumin. And then put it here. Yeah, 10 eggs. Okay. So itong eggs na to, we will keep it. Pwedeng gawin omelette or for another cooking. Yan. Sabi ko na to. Okay. So, using our mixer, mabagal lang siya na pag-mix yung mga wet ingredients muna natin. Okay. So, that'll do first the eggs. Lagyan mo na yung eggs natin dito. Okay. Bibit natin siya hanggang medyo pale na yan. Yan. Okay. And then, add natin yung melted butter natin dito. Yun. Ganda. Slow lang. So while we're mixing the butter and the eggs, ilalagay natin yung syrup natin. So syrup na siya, oh. There you go. Nice. And then sasama na rin natin yung 1/4 cup of oil. Ang iba ginagamit coconut oil, ang iba ginagamit canola oil, vegetable oil. They're all good. And then while we're doing this, ito naman yung mga dry ingredients natin. I'll beat this slowly para lang humahalo sila mabuti. Then I'll use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So, there you go. Put it here. So, 2.5 cups of flour. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's it. And then, lagyan natin siya ng, this is my favorite, vanilla bean paste. Oh. Liquid to, pero ilalagay ko na siya dito, dun sa wet mixture natin. Look at that. See how beautiful this is. Ganyan lang. Pero solid na yan. Mimix ko siya na mabuti. And then sa wet ingredients natin, we will put in yung condensed milk. Ang lata na to is about 300 ml. We'll be using half of this. Uy! Ayaw Pati pala sa pagbukas ng delata, may struggles pa rin. Since nahirapan tayong buksan ito, nitong can open dahil iba na yung lip niya, gamitin natin itong kutsilyo. Watch. Oh, ganyan lang yan. Kaya kailangan Boy Scout kayo, marunong kang magbukas ng delata eh. Sige, so, we'll get half of this. No? Okay, we'll put it here while we're turning this. Dahan. That's about half. Okay, put this here. And then, while we're doing that, slowly, ilalagay natin yung dry ingredients natin. What I'll do, meron tayong anise. Igagrind ko siya ng konti. It's a pinch of anise. Ito yung nagdadala ng taste ng torta. Some people, they use anise. Some people, they use star anise. Yeah, it's really your preference kung anong gusto mong gamitin. And then later on, sa ibabaw, ito rin yung gagamitin natin na pan-decorate natin. Bango. You can really smell the scent. Sarap. So slowly, we'll put in our flour. Konti-konti. Once ma-incorporate na siya dito, we can put in the next batch. Okay, next batch. Okay. Let it incorporate. Pagpasok na siya doon, then we can add in our next batch of flour mixture. You do not want to overbeat this mixture. Yan. Okay, nice. So once mag-incorporate na siya sa loob, we're done. Okay. Bring this up. Sabi natin to. One mix with the hand. Mag-smooth na lang siya ng konti. Pwede na. Itong Torta de Cebu talagang traditional kakanin, traditional na dessert ito ng Cebu, no? This is really very famous sa Cebu, especially in Argao. So ngayon, okay na yung mixture natin. What we'll do next is line up our carrier, no? So now naka-set up na ta, tanggalin na natin itong mga carrier natin. And then slowly, we'll pour in our mixture. Pour in slowly. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. Okay. Kailangan puno. Ay, lumipad. Huwag kang lilipad. Yun. Kailangan. Just like that. Okay. And the last one. So now, we'll let this rest for about mga 30 minutes. Once rested na siya, ilalagay natin siya sa oven natin. Okay? Alright. So now, yung batter natin has been rested for about 30 minutes. Ilalagay natin sa 275 degrees na init. Then this should be baking for about 15 to 18 minutes. Lagyan natin ng timer. So ito, malaman natin pagluto na siya. Yung torta kasi has a characteristic na naka-alsa siya na ganun. No? Para siyang volcano, and then magka-crack na siya sa ibabaw. O kaya talagang, pag hindi siya mag-crack, talagang maganda yung apex niya. So that's the time na alam natin na luto na siya. Or some people, what they do, they use toothpick, no? Pag labas ng toothpick na clean na siya, malinis na siya, hindi na siya basa, luto na rin siya. So by the way, itong Glad Cook and Bake can also be used for lining sa mga air fryers niyo, ovens, and steamers. No? It is also economical and can be used several times for ordinary cooking and baking. You know, next time, what I'll do is I'll cook fish cooked in paper, no, in papillote, no. So, sarap talaga yun. Then, ma-amaze ka na, pwede pala magluto ng, ng fish using yung parchment paper. Really good. Next time, we'll do that here in Goma at home. Imagine ang init kanina. Biglang umulan. Oh, it's so humid, oh. But our torta should be good now. Okay. And then, while this is baked already, next naman to, lagyan nandito. Okay. So, 15 minutes. There you go. Okay. So, ngayon, habang mainit pa siya, babrush natin siya ng butter sa ibabaw. Some people, they use margarine, butter, so it really depends on what you have. Kung ano available sa kitchen ninyo. Makita mo talaga, meron pang konting ashes eh. Oh. So magme-melt yung butter natin. Right after nyan, lalagyan natin siya ng konting yung pinaka-decor niya. Sa ibabaw, lagyan natin ng konting anise. So while they bite into it, meron flavor yung dough natin kanina. And then, sa ibabaw rin meron. Sarap yan ng anise, no? Parang licorice yung flavor niya. We'll sprinkle this with the sugar. Kamay lang natin, just like this. So yung heat ng sa torta natin will melt the sugar a little. Kakapit talaga yung sugar dun sa ibabaw ng torta. So, there you go. So now, malamig na yung natin, torta natin. Yan. You see? Yung ganda ng non-stick natin na cook and bake. Oh, talagang natatanggal ka agad siya. There you go. Ooh, beauty. Isa, para dito sa atin. Titikman ko naman to. Okay. And this is my version of special Torta de Cebu. Let's try it. Ooh, nice. Pwede na. It's very dense, smoky. Sarap. But siguro, this would have been better if dinagdagan pa natin ng konting baking powder or kung nilagyan natin ito ng konting yeast para medyo mas nag-bloom pa siya ng konti. But as it is, it's good. Alam nyo, yung mga home moms, pwede nyo gawing business sa mga bahay nyo. And it doesn't cost much. By doing all this batch, hindi man ito umabot ng 200 pesos. You can start a business doing this. Torta de Cebu. Good. Sarap. Coconut water. It's good, but I can make it even better the next time. So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at home. I'll see you soon. Do this in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kung meron tayong mga bagong video na lalabas. Okay? So take care. Special Torta de Cebu using our Glad Cook and Bake. There you go. Bye!